We are mixing it up today. It is almost Father's Day, so I thought, let's do a little craft today. Why not? This is a Father's Day card. So what this is I'm going to help you make it today. And this is like your dad's little pocket. And these are his little tools that you're going to put inside. So we're going to make all these fun tools together. And then after you make your card, you're just going to glue this edge right here, because this one already is connected. Let it dry, and then after it's all dried up, you can stick in, however you want, all of your tools in here for Dad. Now, the fun part about all of these tools is on the back, you're gonna write little messages. You can put whatever you want. Like I put, let's go on a date together, or I put, you give the best hugs, or coupon for a back rub, or best friends, or XOXO, or I love you, Dad. So you're gonna write, ooh, what did I put on this one? Thankful for you, okay? So you are gonna write your own little special messages, and if you want on the back, you can put all my love, you can put a heart, and then sign your name, okay? And then when you're done, the super fun part is, for Father's Day, then you can stick all of your tools inside here, and then he gets to pull them out. And he's going to absolutely love it. Save the big one for the back, the saw. That's gonna go on the very back, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to get this done. Super fun, huh? Okay? So you're gonna do that for Dad. So we're gonna start with his pocket. So what I used was, this is cardstock. This is my favorite stuff to make cards with. If you don't have this, try to find the thickest paper you can find, or construction paper. You're gonna fold it in half. Okay, doesn't matter which side you want, but whatever side is sealed, see how it's sealed on this side, is the side you're gonna want to not get rid of. So then I'm gonna make a pocket. You can make your pocket as big as you want. So I'm gonna make mine medium, go across, go down, and then it's gonna go down, up, and then make it come back. Okay, then I put a line across for its pocket. And if you want to put little stitching in there, stitch, 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 you can put that all the way around. Now, my dad, unfortunately, he had Parkinson's and he passed away about 4 years ago. So we miss him terribly. He's up in heaven. But I think of him every day and I love him. I'm gonna tell you some fun things about my dad. So what we do for the happy, you can write happy Father's Day, Dad, however you want. I'm gonna show how I make the bubble sharp letters, okay? So I'm gonna go down, cross, H, A, P, happy. Now you can do fathers. It's an F. Put an A in there. I put a lowercase t, or you can do an uppercase T. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do. And if you want to write it in cursive or however you want to write it, so it is your creation, just for your dad. I almost thought I spelled something wrong, which happens sometimes because I am not a good speller. I can draw, but spelling is a challenge. Okay, and I'm gonna put a big fun S. The S is usually challenging. So you're gonna go up and over. Now you're gonna make a snake and then bring it back around. I know I made it look easy because I've done it for many years. And if it looks quirky, that makes it even better, because homemade cards are literally the best. I make homemade cards for everything. Wedding cards, birthday cards, you name it, because homemade's better. So then I colored the whole thing, and I made mine have a rainbow image. After you're done doing this, you are going to cut it out. And then after it's, well, first color it, cut it, and then glue along the edge, and hold it down, and then put it like under a book or something hard to let it dry. So this is going to be done. So now I'm going to show you how I got all of these fun tools. So what you're gonna do is you're first gonna take the pencil, we're just gonna divide off a section here. This is for the saw. The saw is going here, and then divide this down the middle, and all the tools are gonna go on either side, okay? So we're gonna start with the saw, okay? So you are first gonna make a rounded square, so the edges are kind of round, and then make another one on the inside. Now make a line down. You don't have to go all the way down because it does have to fit in our pocket. And then now you're just gonna go back and forth for the saw blades. Easy as that. Okay, that one's done. This is my favorite one color-wise because I love, one of my favorite colors is red. Okay, so you're gonna go, it's like making a giant rainbow. Up, curve it, down. Now you're gonna bring in a backward C, a forward C, and bring it down, down, and across. Now we're gonna make it the tool part. So you're just gonna do a straight line down, parallel, out, out, and then you can make it touch. There you go. That one is officially done. All right, so now we are going to I guess we'll do this tool. Okay, so how you do this tool is you're going to do a backward C up here. Don't go all the way. Stop right there, jump over, and then continue it on. Then you're gonna put lines coming in. It's almost gonna look like a hectagon in there. Now make 2 lines down. 1, 2. So what about my dad? He would eat, now make this round, popcorn every night. That was like his thing. Unfortunately, end of his years, popcorn, he liked the kernels on the very end, which was horrible for your teeth. So his teeth were kind of falling out at the end because he would just crunch on the little half-eaten kernels. That was his favorite. So now we're gonna do this one. So make a line going in, line across, and we would smell it and we'd all come down and run down and get like a handful of popcorn. He loved putting, which my mom did not like, Parmesan cheese on his popcorn. And then put a circle here because they like to hang on their little hooks. Okay, that one's done. Now let's do the brush. I love the brush. Okay, so you're going to make, oh, I think I kind of made it a little too long up there. That's okay. Okay, that's the handle. Put a circle so it can hang up. Make a line here, here, down, down, across. Now you make the bristles. So it's gonna go down, down, and you go across, up, down, cross, up, down, cross. And then add some extra lines in there. There you go. Got the brush. Brush is done. Okay, so now we'll do this one. So just like doing a C before, we're gonna do a C, jump over, finish it off. We're gonna make the lines in here. And my dad was an amazing whistler. He loved to whistle. He could whistle like 3 tunes at once, okay? Oh, and if you wanna put a little piece in here, it looks like a giant raindrop. If you wanna make designs in there or do what you want, you can. Last but not least, we have, it's kind of like these little clipper things. So, well, first we're gonna make a V. Then, right at the bottom of this V, I want you to put a circle. So now we're going to loop this around. This one's gonna come over, and then loop this around. Now we're gonna put the handles in. So it's gonna go down, loop. So this one's kind of like on top, this one's on the bottom. So we're gonna make a line here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what they all look like so you can color them. So just silk, gray, gray. This I did brown with yellow, brown with gray, gray, red with gray, and this I made a green handle, okay? So after you have, and then I like to leave a little space around it because then it gives you more space to be able to write on the back. Okay, so you're gonna take these, first color it next, cut them out, leaving a space. You've already have your piece glued, so it should all be glued down. I did not glue mine, I should have. And then now, you can go stick them in and give them to Dad, and then now you have a creative card he is going to love. Don't forget to write on the back of each one. You can give them coupons or whatever you want. And then you can wish them happy Father's Day and give them a big kiss on the cheek. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy Father's Day.